This is the summary created from the video, Lecture 32, The Art of Persuasion I. Persuasion is a ubiquitous act present in various contexts surrounding us, aiming to convince others through various strategies where credible information paired with scarcity can increase persuasiveness. Aristotle's principles of ethos, logos, and pathos form the cornerstone of persuasion, shaping, reinforcing, and changing attitudes through repetition and socio-cultural context, with words and language reflecting the evolving attitudes molded by persuasion over time. While persuasion involves convincing others through intent, manipulation entails deception, artificial conditions, and serving manipulators' interests, whereas coercion employs force threats or directives, distinguishing it from persuasion, albeit with borderline coercion present in persuasive media like advertisements and entertainment. In essence, persuasion shapes attitudes via repetition and context, involving intent that differentiates it from manipulation, relying on credibility, logic, and emotion as key principles, permeating across media, advertisements, and institutions, with words reflecting the changed attitudes it has cultivated over time, and borderline coercion manifesting in persuasive media like advertisements. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.